Hello everyone, today we are going to do some fresh watermelon juices. You can see there are lots of fresh watermelon from the farm. I am going to choose one of it. Around 5 kg I will take, and here they are selling also. I have taken this, so they have cut this a triangle piece to check whether it is properly ripe or not. Yes, I will show you. Yes, the taste was really awesome and so sweet. Now I have cut the watermelon into two parts. So this half portion we are going to make some juices out of it. So we will take the first quarter and we will cut small pieces so it will be easy to grind. You can see the color, the taste also, it was really awesome. Summer is coming, so everybody must be waiting for the watermelon. Yes, it's time to get some ripe watermelon juices. After 1 month, mango will also come. Now we will grind it properly. So here you can see we have already grinded. Now we will strain it properly. So here comes a bowl and the strainer. We will pour it in the strainer, and using a spoon we will filter it out properly so that there won't be any seed. So you can see it's almost ready. Now we will pour it into a clean glass. Even if you like, you can decorate with one portion of the watermelon. The yummy watermelon juice is ready.